In today's fast-paced world, batteries power everything. From smartphones in our hands to electric cars on our roads. But have you ever wondered how these essential power sources are actually made? Welcome to All About Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Ancient origins. Our story begins thousands of years ago. One of the earliest known battery-like devices is the Baghdad Battery, discovered in Iraq and believed to date back to the Parthian period. It consisted of a clay jar, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod. Inside, traces of acidic substances like vinegar or wine were found, possibly acting as an electrolyte. When these elements interacted, they could produce a small electric current. While its exact purpose remains a mystery, many believe it was humanity's first step into electrochemistry, voltaic breakthrough. Fast forward to the late 18th century. Italian scientist Alessandro Volta revolutionized science with the invention of the voltaic pile, the world's first true battery. It used alternating discs of zinc and copper, separated by layers soaked in electrolyte. For the first time in history, electricity could be generated continuously. This breakthrough laid the foundation for modern electrical technology. Industrial Revolution. With the arrival of the Industrial Revolution, battery technology advanced rapidly. Lead-acid batteries became the standard, capable of storing and releasing energy through reversible chemical reactions. They powered early telecommunication systems, automobiles, and even submarines. Electricity was no longer just an experiment, it became part of everyday life. Portable power era. In the 20th century, innovation continued. Thomas Edison introduced the alkaline battery, offering longer life and greater efficiency. Soon, portable devices like radios and flashlights became widely accessible. Batteries were no longer just industrial tools, they became part of daily human life. Rechargeable revolution. By the mid-20th century, rechargeable batteries changed everything. Nickel-cadmium batteries allowed repeated use, making power more sustainable. However, environmental concerns led to the development of safer alternatives. And then came a game-changing breakthrough. Lithium-ion era. In the 1990s, lithium-ion batteries transformed the world. Lightweight, powerful, and efficient, they became the backbone of modern technology. From laptops to smartphones, and now electric vehicles. But how are these batteries actually made? How batteries are made? Now let's take a closer look at how lithium-ion batteries, one of the most prevalent battery types today, are manufactured. The process begins with the production of electrode materials. Graphite is used for the anode, while lithium cobalt oxide, lithium iron phosphate, or other lithium compounds are used for the cathode. These materials are mixed with binders and solvents to create a slurry, which is then coated onto metal foils. Precision coating machines ensure uniform thickness and distribution of the electrode materials. Next, the coated foils are passed through a drying process to remove excess solvents, leaving behind thin electrode layers. These electrodes are then cut into precise shapes. and assembled into battery cells along with separators and electrolyte solutions. Assembly lines carefully integrate these components, with each step monitored for quality control and consistency. Once assembled, the cells undergo testing to ensure they meet performance and safety standards. Testing facilities simulate real-world conditions, subjecting batteries to temperature extremes, mechanical stress, and overcharging scenarios to evaluate their durability and safety from raw materials to finished products. The manufacturing of batteries involves a complex yet meticulously orchestrated process. As we look ahead, innovations in battery manufacturing will continue to drive advancements in technology powering the devices and vehicles. To journey through the history, battery manufacturing reveals a remarkable tale of human ingenuity, innovation, and perseverance from the ancient experiments with electrochemical cells to the sophisticated production processes of modern lithium-ion batteries. Each era has contributed to shaping the evolution of battery technology. The earliest attempts at harnessing electricity, exemplified by artifacts like the Baghdad Battery and the Volta pile, laid the foundation for the exploration of electrochemistry. These early pioneers, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, paved the way for future discoveries that would revolutionize the way we power our world. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant scientific advancements in battery manufacturing with the widespread adoption of lead-acid batteries. Towering the burgeoning electrical systems of the time, these robust batteries played a crucial role in electrifying industries, transportation, and communication networks, laying the groundwork for the modern age of technology. The 20th century witnessed a rapid expansion in the variety and accessibility of battery technologies, from the advent of alkaline batteries, which provided portable power for a myriad of consumer devices, to the development of rechargeable batteries like nickel-cadmium and lithium-ion, which offered greater efficiency and sustainability. Each innovation fueled the growth of industries and transformed the way we live and work. Today, the manufacturing of batteries has become a highly sophisticated process characterized by precision engineering, advanced material science, and stringent quality control measures. State-of-the-art facilities employ cutting-edge technologies to produce batteries with higher energy density, longer lifespan, and improved safety profiles. Looking ahead, the future of battery manufacturing holds immense promise and potential. Breakthroughs in material science, such as the development of solid-state batteries and next-generation materials, offer the prospect of even higher performance and energy density. Furthermore, advancements in manufacturing processes, automation, and digitalization are poised to further enhance efficiency and reduce costs. In essence, the history of battery manufacturing is a testament to human creativity, resilience, and adaptability. From ancient civilizations tinkering with clay jars and metal rods to modern-day engineers pushing the boundaries of electrochemistry in state-of-the-art laboratories, the quest for better battery continues to drive progress and innovation. As we embark on the next chapter of this journey, one thing remains certain: the power of batteries will continue to shape the world we live in, powering our devices, fueling our industries, and propelling us towards a more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history, manufacturing of batteries. We hope you gain valuable insights into the evolution of this essential technology and its profound impact on our daily lives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories that reveal the hidden history behind the simple things that shape our world.